Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to give an answer in the Brainly app. First, let's open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the give answer menu, and here we find the list of questions that that people have asked, that people have put up, and here we can just tap on give answer to answer one of these questions. Tap on give answer, and here we can tap in the answer and then the explanation. And yeah, here we can grab some points. As you can see, this question has 5 points, this question has 45 points, this question has 50 points, and by collecting those points we can get our ranks up. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.